Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make a logo for your YouTube channel in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, to make a logo, what you need to do is, of course, open up a project, and as you can see, I have a blank one right here. Now, you can go into designs and select a design that is right for you. For example, YouTube profile. Let's just search for that, and as you can see, if I search it, I will see a lot of designs, and you can choose any of these designs that you want and edit them to your heart's content. But you can also add elements. For example, you can add a shape, you can add graphics such as this clock, you can add a couple of different items. Let's say I want to put this clock here, and let's say that could be your logo pretty easily. Now you can also add frames such as these, where you can put already existing images which you can upload or download from the internet. And let's say I want this dog, I'll just scale it down to the size that I want, put it in the frame, and as you can see now, that picture is circular according to the frame. Let me just change the background, and then you can add different elements however you want. You can send them back into the background, into the foreground, it doesn't really matter. And you can also group up those elements, and you can make a logo such as this one. Now, this is a very rudimentary logo, and of course it does have a image which is most likely copyright protected. It is not free to use, but you pretty much get the gist of it, and you can do whatever you want. You're literally limited only by your creativity. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.